friends, it's Casharee here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by DevaTrust.com. They sent me over these Bobbi Boss Bae Locs right here. So be sure to check out the description box below for all the details to DevaTrust.com to where you can get this look as well as a bunch of other cute looks that they have on their website. Now the color that I chose for these locks were the 99J, and this is how the packaging looks. And I have them in the 12 inches. The 99J color is this really dark black brown color with like burgundy strands throughout. You probably can't tell that well on camera, but it is a really cute color and I hadn't seen this color before, so I was definitely wanting to try it. And I also got one pack of the color 27 where I just put a couple of blonde locks randomly throughout the hair. Now what's really cool about the Bae Locs is the fact that each pack comes with 2 accent threaded locks like this. So it's going to save you time on accessorizing your locks because you don't have to thread it yourself because they did it for you. Now I didn't use that many of the accent locks in my hair because usually I like to use neutral color thread for my locks and not like super colorful. But I did just use a few, maybe like 4 or 5 of those accent locks throughout the hair in the back. But it's still like a really convenient option to have if you choose to, you know, throw those accent locks in there. Now the locks are really chunky as you can see, but they are super duper lightweight. So you might look at them and think they're heavy, but they're not at all. They're super lightweight, which is really good. Nobody wants heavy hair on their head. So anywho, if you want to see how I got this look, just stay tuned and keep watching. Here's my braiding pattern that I started with, which I pretty much just finger parted a bunch of plaits all over my head without actually making the part super straight because I didn't want a uniform straight part look. So for this look, of course, all you need pretty much is your handy dandy crochet needle. So what I've been doing is just sticking my crochet needle through the braid like so. Taking the lock, which has a hole on the end, opening it up. I'm hooking the lock onto the crochet needle, pulling it through. I'm just going to open up that hole again, take the braid and the lock and pull them both through. And then just tighten it up to my root. Like so. Now what I do is pretty much just feel at the top to see where the opening starts to get an idea, like right there. And then I'm going to take the crochet needle and just a little bit down, not all the way down, I'm doing it in sections. I'm just going to stick it through the lock and I'm pushing it carefully up so that it's going in the center of the lock. Which is very hard to do actually. And then once it's at the top, I take my hair, my real hair, place it on the hook, close it, and pull it through the lock. Like so. So I just continue this method down the lock until it's all inside the lock. Now once I get to the very end where it's just like a little bit of my hair left out, I'm just doing the unwrapping method just because it's easier than trying to pull this through with the crochet needle, where I'm just unwrapping a little bit of the lock and rewrapping it around my real hair. like so. So after doing that, I just kind of twist the lock back in the direction that it naturally goes, just to like make sure I get the shape back after doing all that manipulation. Up, and I see my hair down here, so I didn't stick that in there good enough, so let me do it again. I'm unwrapping it and I'm wrapping it around. Yeah, that's better. Then I kind of press the roots just so that it's not bulging out. Yeah, so that's the method that I've been using. I'm just going to repeat the same thing. Now for the ends of the locks, I've been kind of pulling it so that I have like a little curl on the end instead of this regular blunt type of flow lock look. So to do that, I just take the end of it, pull it, and scrunch this part up, and just pull it a little bit to create the curl, like so. Now I'm just gonna go through the hair and trim it a little bit, because in the back I think it's a little bit uneven and just looks a little crazy. So I'm gonna just trim it and pull all the ends that I need to pull, and that's it.